Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'd like to show you the way how you can design your own custom stickers with the Photoshop but in mobile phone. So you just need to open the Photoshop mobile phone, just tap into this PS and then this PS Express. You need to install this on your phone, and this you just need to go tap into this photo editor and pick the picture that you want to edit as the sticker. I already prepared it to you, so I already got this. Next you need to do is just go take a look at this bottom section, swipe to the left side, and then you just need to go find this tools, which is the combine right here, and tap it. Now tap into this cutout and wait until the process is just finished by tapping into this confirm. And now you already got this subject, and the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this edit and tap into it, click it, tap into this three small dot and duplicate. And now you already got this duplicate option, but then you just need to tap into the first one, and then you just need to adjusting to make it bigger size. Perfect. And the next thing you need to do is just go click into the looks and adjustment, go into the adjustment and click the light exposure right here, and you just need to increase it up to the 100%. And the next is just go swap this into this whiteness and swipe it into like 100%. And the next you just need to go tap back, and now you just need to wait until it's perfectly applied it, and after that you just need to download it, tap into this to share, and then click into this PNG. Make sure that this is already in a PNG style, and then you just need to save it. Now we just need to open your photo library just to check the result. So you already got the stickers. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.